All right, so let's imagine you guys are out there right now enjoying the Christmas lights. Or maybe just going through a drive-in theater, right? But the problem is though, you gotta make sure the climate's on to make sure everyone's comfortable. And in order for that to happen, the car has to be on and running. So the car right now is in park, but then your daytime running lights is on, it's ruining the experience for everyone. So the big question is, Chris, is there a way I can accommodate my passengers and have my daytime running lights off? And the answer is yes, you can. Let me show you how to save the day now, okay? All right, so there we are. You can see that your daytime running lights are on. Now to turn these off, all you have to do is get over here on the driver's side. You'll see right up here on your turning indicator stick, the lights are set to auto. You simply toggle down to off, so when you come over here and take a look at this, they are off. They will remain off while the vehicle is in park. And once you put it in gear to drive or reverse, they automatically will come right back on, okay? So there we go. That's how you save the night now. Have fun. All right, so we're gonna talk about the daytime running lights one more time here quick, because I know some people absolutely don't like them. They wish they can stay off all the times, but some car companies would not allow you to disable these. But you know what? Mazda is not one of them. With the CX-50, there's a way that you can permanently turn off your daytime running lights. Let's do it. So I want to assume you guys know how to use a little wheel action right down here to navigate through your center display. We're going to scroll down to settings. From settings, we're going to go down to vehicle settings, of course. There we go. Select that bad boy. Exterior lighting. Select that one. We'll come down here to daytime running lights. Check mark. Just to remove that. So there we go. Your daytime running lights will never be on again. Automatically off. Right? So we unchecked it. When we get out here, we can take one more look here. No longer daytime running lights, no matter what, if I put the vehicle into drive or reverse. Permanent fix. There we go.